In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use data enrichment on FlashRev. So you go to list and you choose one of your list on the list tab. Then you see this view, right? And on the right side, you see the button add enrichment. If you click that, you see a lot of commands you can choose from, like enrich company, enrich person, and flash agent. Flash agent tab, if you use it correctly, you can collect most of the public data out there. You can see like Google search, Google News, Google Map, as well as run LLM functions. I'm going to show you how to use that. So you go to Google search, for example, and get the email address. So you type in company name and email address, which means this system is going to automatically search this query on Google. So in this case, company name and email address, and get the result from here. And you choose the column name, then response parameter. Response parameter is where you get the data on the result page. Like top one title is like the top results title, and snippet is just a snippet on the top one. And now you choose all content in this case, for example, and save enrichment. You choose the rows, which ones you want to execute, and you put this play button. Now this system is automatically search on Google and get the results. It's pretty cool, yeah, right? And another one, so we want to get the email address of each company. Right now, we only have like company name, company site, those kind of things, and we don't have email address. So now we searched Google's on Google. Now we're gonna extract email address from the Google search results. So extract a valid email address for company name, for example. You can type in prompt here to run LLM, and you can do pretty much anything you can imagine with AI. And you type in the column name, and you hit play. Then now this prompt is extracting email addresses from the Google search results. Now we have the email address. So as you saw here, you have a lot of commands and a lot of flexibility that you can do. Like you can put different queries on Google search. You can search recent news on Google News, or you can use deep research and LLMs to extract, analyze data, or get data on public information. So the way to use it is up to you, but this is how you can maximize the potential of your list with data enrichment. That'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.